Presidential candidate of the Labour Party Peter Obi was questioned by the UK airport authorities over alleged issue of impersonation. The former Anambra State governor was however released after a thorough deliberation which lasted for 3 hours. President-elect and the candidate of the APC, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, has taken a swipe at Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, calling him a serial loser. Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu has been named as one of Time's 100 most influential people in the world for 2022. The APC national leader and Nigeria's president-elect was a noble mention due to his exploits at the February polls. Nigeria's President Muhammadu Buhari is currently in Saudi Arabia in his continued effort to strengthen Nigeria-Arab relations. The president will also take time to perform Umrah for the last time as president.